beautiful out here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Who the hell brought him here?
Hey, guys.
Oh, who the hell brought him here? Huh? Who the hell let him come here? Who told him we were coming here? Who is he?
I'm Steve.
How? Who? Someone tell me
How are you?
why he's here.
He, followed us.
Followed us? What do you mean he followed us? We drove here. How does he follow our car? How would he follow us? How the heck did he get here? How the hell is he here?
Easy.
That chair of his can go like 60 miles an hour.
But how?
It's mostly just a V6 engine. It's a V6 engine and some cushions, really.
Jesus. Does he have like a helmet or something for that?
No, none. He's on the expressway just as he is. Weaving through traffic, staring at you through your rear view mirrors.
And he's everywhere we go. And we never invite him. And he's in a wheelchair.
Alright, stop it. That doesn't mean he shouldn't be allowed to come on trips.
Yeah, he's in a wheelchair. He's in a wheelchair. Trent.
It's beautiful out here, though, isn't it?
Definitely beautiful.
Who the hell brought him here?
And it's so quiet.
Just look at all those trees out there.
Yeah.
So many of them. In every direction.
There's definitely a lot.
There's more than you think. More than you'd ever think.
No, I'm thinking there are a lot of trees.
Gotta think bigger.
I'm thinking about a whole forest of trees.
Bigger, mate.
I don't need this right now.
More trees than limbs on your body.
Four limbs on my body. I knew there were more trees
Then
than
your
that.
hands got fingers.
I know there are more than 10 trees out there. I don't need you to tell me that. I don't need that explained to me.
And it'd take millions of men, millions of years, just to cut down one of them.
Really? Fascinating.
Yes, I calculated the same thing by myself.
That is so false.
It's true. All by myself.
It doesn't take a million years to cut down one of these trees, Steve. Alright? That's ridiculous.
Trent's right. I've handled stiffer wood than this.
Thank you.
Handled stiffer wood than this.
Thanks.
Trent's right.
We get it.
Trent's right. I've handled stiffer wood than this.
Maybe you should go chop down a tree and see just how long it takes.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Go ahead. Prove him wrong. Prove him wrong.
I'm not gonna go chop down a tree right now just to prove him wrong. Okay? He's an ass.
Oh.
I'm not talking about you, Steve, alright? I'm talking about Rupert. You're fine. You're just creepy.
Hey.
You're not gonna do it because it takes a million men, a million years.
You come along and take turns with me, and I'll chop down a fucking tree right now.
Maybe I will.
Gentlemen.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Gentlemen.
Go ahead.
By the time the two of you finish chopping down one of those trees, we're all in space anyway, so it doesn't even matter.
Doesn't even matter. Gentlemen.
Who the hell brought him here?
I love the smell of maple.
Pine. These are all pine trees. We're in a pine
So
forest.
many beautiful maple trees.
So many of them.
And all those little maples, covering each one of them.
Yeah.
I love
In
maple.
every little maple, waiting for the day when it'll grow into an entire forest. of maple trees.
In every direction.
And those maple ears, listening to every word we're saying. Listening silently. And the maple men. Trent, oh, the maple men.
Trent, the maple men.
Kings of the maple trees. Sitting in their castles. Talking about their memories. Singing songs about life.
Sing us one of their songs. Just this once.
Yeah.
Rupert.
Sing us a song of the Maple Man.
The maple men, watching from their trees, thick maple tears bring you to your knees. Great maple king, he knows what you dream. Sweet maple kiss, time's running out for me.
Enough! Squirrels. Okay? They're called squirrels. I can't tell if you're making all this stuff up on the spot or if someone actually taught you this.
Nobody ever taught me nothing.
I don't care. I really don't care. You know, either way, it's just sad.
And annoying.
I'm annoyed that there's nowhere to sit out here. And sad that I didn't bring a chair. Did anyone bring a chair?
Maybe, just maybe, they have some extra chairs over there. Excuse me, shorties. Do you have any extra chairs I could borrow?
Hey, is that guy over there asking you a question? I don't know. Is he asking you questions? Asking me a questions? Wait, asking me a questions? Wait, are you talking to me? Are you my sister? Are you me? We've been made sisters. Oh, good. Good.
I don't think they had any extra chairs.
Are you me?
Get away from